everyone, good morning. This is Walking Lady, and right now we are here at the Queen Station, and we are going upstairs to the Hudson's Bay, and we are going to see people who are going to shop. Okay, because I think the liquidation started already yesterday, which is March 18, if I am not mistaken, guys. So this store opens at 10 a.m. okay, but I checked the time, it's only 9:56 a.m. and it's already open.
No, I'm trying to. I'm not trying to play this. I'm coordinating. This is 15, right?
And I see lots of people, guys, okay, so I don't know if these people are going to work or going to shop. And of course we all feel bad that there is a big possibility that the Hudson's Bay is going to close. But we are still hoping that, you know, they can find a way to save this store, but let's see. And we can see lots of sale, guys, okay, like there is 30%, 40, 50, 40, no, under $45, okay, 40%. Most here are 40%. And today, guys, we are going to try to walk all the floors from here concourse to 6th floor. And this way is going to the path, so we're not going there. I think we just have to turn around, and let's find escalator to go to 1st floor. So there is elevator here, okay, but we're looking for the escalator, and the escalator is just right here. And as you can see, guys, okay, this is not running, so I don't have idea if it is going up or going down, but it doesn't matter anymore because it is not running, so you can just go up and down, right? So this is the 1st floor or the main floor, and let's just see what's on the main floor. So women's accessories, handbags, seasonal shop, watches, jewelry, cosmetics and fragrances, and personal care. So let's look around, guys, before we go to the next levels.
Hi, can we help you out?
No, thank you.
You can't take pictures in the store.
Oh, okay. Okay guys, so I was at the main floor, okay, and the lady, the group of people stopped me. So, you know, I'm going up to the second floor and I continue my video. So on the second level is contemporary denim, activewear, footwear, kids, footwear and kids footwear, mountain equipment company, and this is for women's. Okay. So today is very odd because I was here when Sunday. Yeah, I was here Sunday and I did video, and I video from how to say it, from the street, okay, and then to the main floor, to the up to the sixth floor, and no one stopped me. Yeah, so this is my unlucky day because someone saw me and asked me to stop my video. But you know what guys, it's good to have a souvenir later on about the Hudson's Bay. We all love the Hudson's Bay and we want a souvenir later on, right? So this is the Saks Fifth Avenue and it looks like closed. Last Sunday it was still open. So I don't know if they will open it soon, because when I started the video, it was not 10 o'clock yet. Let's see the time now. 10:04. So now it's 10:04, so I don't think they will open this. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, this is like metal. And this is the walkway going to the Toronto Eaton Center. So I can say that I was lucky last Sunday that I, you know, I started my video that day, and I have, excuse me, my throat is really bad. I had a chance to video the, what is that called again? The, oh my gosh, the Saks Fifth Avenue, yeah. And you know what guys, there are no people here. It looks so empty. I think it was still early, right? Yeah. And my phone is ringing. Adon is calling me. So I'll just call him back later. So again, I think this is closed. Yeah, and I can see some people from here, okay? There is a like cart. Oh, this will be so hurting your eyes. Yeah. 60% off. Yeah, so this is not bad. It's very good discount. Yeah, very good discount, 60%. It was 195, 156 now. So I think, you know, you just have to take it to the counter and they will do the deduction, because this is just save 20% off, you know. And it says here, oh, it says up to 60% off. So I think this is only 20%. It didn't say that this is all 60% off. It says up to 60. and more shoes here, guys. And from far you will see that, you know, it is 60% off, but if you look closely you will see up to 60% off. Okay, so be mindful of that. And I think this is for men. No, it's still for women. And there is music, guys, very nice music. I hope I will not get copyright. So all here, guys, are up to 60% off. All right, so let's check the next level, which is going to be number 3. So there is Levi's here, 30% off, up to 30% off actually. Not 30% off fixed, up to. Always look at the up to words. Okay, let's go up. So this is the 3rd level, guys, and this is, let's see again, for women's again. Okay, designer brands, premium denim, the room. This looks like a skirt, women's skirt. Yeah. It's paper. So some escalators, guys, okay, are on idle or not running, and some are running. So now these shelves are all empty. Look at this group of mannequins here. They are all dressed up. Looks so cute. They look so like very cute, okay, and professional. And very elegant. So I'm thinking, guys, that I think it will be different scenario if I come here like more later than this, okay? Because I think too early. That's why it's kind of empty here. But maybe later afternoon, you know, it will be much crowded here, or more people, more shoppers. So we're looking again for the escalator going up. Wow, look at this one. Lots of balloons. They really have nice presentation. I like that. Up to 50% off. So yeah, before I would think that, you know, this is 50% off, right? But if you look closely, you will find out that it's up to 50% off. And these guys are up to 60% off. White curtains with white balloons. Okay, so let's find a escalator going up. I remember I was here already because I remember this. So let's just go up. So this escalator in front of me, guys, is not working. So we can just walk up. So we have 3 more floors to go. And this one will be the 4th level. And 4th level, guys, is again for women's, okay, fashion, dresses, outwear and swimwear, lingerie and hosiery, kids fashion, okay. And again, it looks empty. This is Tommy Hilfiger. Nice and elegant dresses. So this is fixed, guys, 70% off. Yeah, so this one is not up to, this is 70% off, which is really, really good price. Let's see how much is the price. It was $189 this pants, and now it's only $55.96, which is really good, really. And on my right side is up to 60% off. Most of them 60% off. And these are underwears for women's. Natori brand. I like this. This is kind of daring. Very sexy. And these are sleeping dresses. Okay guys, let's go to the next level. So we are on the 5th floor. And this is for men. Okay, so let's check. So we are on men's floor, the fashion, dress shirts and suiting, activewear, outwear and swimwear, contemporary, designer brands, denim, grooming and cologne, and footwear for men.
It's the infrastructure that's holding things up. But the people that make that fall, you would be shocked how bad they are.
Oh, this is so big. And nice horse. Men with horse.
So we know them
You know what, guys? I don't know. Some people, okay, they, some employees that are working here, I saw that they saw me, okay, but they just ignore me. I just pass them and they just ignore me. So I think it depends of the person you see, okay. Or I think it depends of the person that saw me. Yeah. I can see some men's here are shopping. I think I see more men's shopping than women's. Yeah.
These artists.
men's washroom. So they had men's washroom here. I will not go inside, guys, okay? I just want to see the entrance. Alright. Okay, so I think we can go up now. And we're looking for the escalator. There, the escalator is there and this is running. So this is lucky for me. I don't have to walk. Just kidding, guys. And this will be the last level, which is the 6th floor. And 6th floor is for home. Like a beds, you know, the sofas, tables, TVs. And I think I saw luggages here last time. And they have very nice sofas. This is $2,000 just for the table. Round coffee table, $1,999. And this round table here is $899. It was $1,399.
Yeah, we'll see. It's something you get done.
So on my left side, guys, there are more tables, okay, chairs, sofas, but I don't think I can go that side. All right, so I can show you only where I am right now. $899 for this table, wood table. So the luggages is at the end, and these pillows are all two for $40. So one each is $20. So I think I have to tell Amedon to come here and check the luggages. Maybe he can get a very good deal for the luggages. It says here 25%, save 25% and 15%. But I think we need more discount. Hello. Pardon?
I'm here for you.
Pardon?
If you have any questions, I'm here for you.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, maybe later on.
What's that you got in your hand?
Oh, this is GoPro. Yeah,
This one?
GoPro.
Which means what?
Oh, that is like camera to like now I can see your luggage. Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. You have a nice day, sir.
You too.
Thank you. So I asked to try, sir, okay, when the liquidation started, but I read, okay, that it started already yesterday, March 18. You know what, guys? Let's check the beds. So just this bed, queen bed, is $1,599. And this was $429 and now is $299. Twin bed, I think. This is twin bed, yeah? No, it doesn't say if it is twin bed. So this cabinet is made of metal, okay, and it was $2,399 and now is $1,899. So you saved like $500. And this chair, like swivel chair, $2,299. Wow, can you imagine just this chair is $2,299? It's on sale for $1,599, but you know what, guys, I cannot afford this. For me, this is still expensive, yeah. But anyways, it looks nice, but too expensive for me. I cannot afford you. Okay guys, so I think that's it. And I can see from here, guys, there is women's washroom. You have to go to the left side. So that is going to the washroom over there, okay? There. All right, so what else? So I think we were here earlier. This mirror is very nice. Is it mirror? Oh, this is for TV. I thought it's a mirror. There's no mirror. Yeah, sorry guys. I thought it's a mirror. Yeah, I think that is for TV. Yeah, and then the sofa, very nice sofa. $7,000. It's like $8,000 for this sofa. Very nice one. It's like leather. And for this table, $649. And I see some people, you know, on the other glass. I mean, behind the glass. Talking, like meeting. Anyways, we're done with the tour, guys, okay? And now I'm going again to the 5th floor. And you know what, guys, I will just show you what's behind this glass. Which street or what street is this? I think this is the Toronto Hall. Yeah. And it's all construction here. I think this is Queen Street, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, looks like this is Queen Street. Okay guys, so that's all for today. I will end off my video here, guys, and thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye for now.